There are a few ways to take Women's Balancing Sleep Formula. If you are chronically sleep deprived, it can be helpful to take it 2 times throughout the day in smaller quantities, 1 teaspoon to half a cup of milk of choice, and then again 2 teaspoons 30 minutes before bed. Taking the formula this way can support a frazzled nervous system and anxious mind. For women that need support once in a while or would like deeper sleep, 2 teaspoons in warmed milk 30 minutes before bed should do the trick. Ghee and honey are valuable substances in Ayurveda and enhance the absorption and effectiveness of herbs. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and half teaspoon of honey. The evening ritual of making this drink is soothing in itself, and the taste sweet and earthy, calming the body and the mind for restful sleep.